What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to do a little quick video about the progress of the Mississippi Aquarium and the Island View Casino non-smoking part. I'm driving down the beach right now in Long Beach, Mississippi. I'm headed towards Gulfport, which is where Mississippi Aquarium and the Island View Casino is. This is the main street here, Jeff Davis. See the Mississippi state flag right there. That was probably like a Kmart or something before Katrina. A lot of the stuff on the beach got wiped out. Well, everything on the beach got wiped out. Not much of it was built back, because insurance is so freaking high, I'm sure. This is the Long Beach Harbor up here. There's a little restaurant right there called Steve's Marina Grill. I've been there a couple times, pretty decent. They got a little porch on the back you can eat on outside. On the water, well, 30 feet above the water. Haven't been to that place yet. Brackish, it's kind of newish. Brackish seafood restaurant. It's about a year old. Hadn't been there yet. Have to check it out one day. Do a restaurant review. It's early Long Beach. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in a minute. That's St. Thomas Catholic Church right there. Out here at Island View Casino Resort, documenting the construction of the non-smoking casino. They've come a long way in the 3 or 4 weeks since I was out here. This morning around 4 a.m. they poured the concrete into that structure over there. That might be like the corner of it. I don't know what's gonna be, but it looks like maybe the corner of the building. They poured a lot of concrete at 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. this morning. They were out here pouring concrete. They're coming a long way. It's starting to look semi like a building. Sounds like the bananas are coming into the port. Gulfport banana facility over there. They got some huge cranes. Roy Anderson, looks like it's doing, Roy Anderson, the corporation doing the construction. Let's go 100 and something feet up, that big old crane. Looks like a lot of nothing right now. Coming summer 2018. Right here on Beach Boulevard. The main part of the casino's over there. They also have this bridge tower that goes over here to the original hotel. The original barge used to be over here. From that all the way over here. But Katrina wiped that out in 2005. That was just a barge. That was just a barge that got deposited somewhere, I don't know, a couple hundred feet on the other side of the highway. They have many pictures you can look up online. You can see where it landed. Yeah, it looks like 5 o'clock, knocking off time. Knocking off time, 5 o'clock. They'll be back at it 4 a.m. in the morning, I'm sure. If they want to pour more concrete. Alright guys, I'll do another update in a few weeks, see how far they get. Remember, like my videos, subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell notification.